forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Also, click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new recipe on the channel.
Hello, Namaste. How many of you like any of these? Apple fritter, cinnamon roll or French toast? Well, today I am going to tell you a recipe that's in a way a combination of three of these, and this is French toast roll up, which has apple cinnamon filling inside. Easy to make and good to eat. It pleases anyone who relishes it. Please note the ingredients needed to make French toast roll-ups. List is also given in description below. First of all, wash and peel an apple. That's a medium size apple. Now chop this apple into smaller pieces. Transfer this chopped apple into a pan in which you are planning to cook. Add in some lemon juice or add sugar as per your liking. You may add little more if your apples are less sweet or you want it more sweet. Now put it on a cooktop. Add some cinnamon powder. Mix everything well and let it cook on medium-low heat. Stir occasionally. Initially, the apples will release water because of added sugar, but we have to cook it until it dries fully and the apples are cooked and softened. When done, keep it aside and let it cool down for about 2 minutes. And here, take an egg, add in some milk, a pinch of salt just to enhance the sweetness of this recipe. Whisk well and keep aside. Take about 1 or 1.5 tablespoon of sugar and add the remaining cinnamon powder, that's half teaspoon. Mix and keep this also aside. Take bread slices and remove the edges. Take one slice and using a rolling pin, gently roll it. Not too much, just a bit. And here I have cream cheese at room temperature. Apply cream cheese on that rolled out bread slice. Put some apple filling at the center and gently close this. Press it with your hands. It's done. Now take this roll and dip it into egg milk mixture and it is ready for frying. Heat oil on medium-low heat and gently put this dipped roll in the pan. Let them cook on one side for about a minute, after which flip over. Roll and cook these roll-ups from all the sides. When done, remove them and keep them for about half a minute, after which roll these roll-ups in cinnamon sugar. And they are ready to be served. Enjoy these as is. Isn't this recipe a combination of 3 different recipes? Apple fritter, cinnamon roll and French toast. If desired, you can drizzle some chocolate sauce over these roll-ups and enjoy. In my next recipe, I'll show you how to make chocolate sauce at home. Enjoy these delicious apple cinnamon French toast roll-ups for breakfast or evening tea. Thanks for watching.